In this video, I'll show you how to change the system language on Mecha Break. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and sign into your account. And then once you sign into your account, use your mouse pointer or the controller pointer icon and select menu at the bottom right corner. And then from the options that appear, select settings. Then within the settings, all you have to do is select language, and then you should see the text option. So if you'd like to change the system language, simply select, or rather highlight the English option or the selected language option and select it. And then from a couple of options that appear, choose the option that you prefer. So let's say if I want French, you can select it. And then you should see this prompt, confirm changes, system language changed from your set language to the new language. So all you have to do is simply select confirm and then give it a few seconds. And then you should notice that the system language has changed on Mecha Break. So as you can see, it's different. The system language has changed. So that's basically it on how to change the system language on Mecha Break. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.